Okay, look at that, guys. Wow, the smell is beautiful. Okay guys, today we are going to cook pasta or spaghetti with this one, with this peanut. Huh? Okay, this is the peanuts. Chicken garlic first. Chop the garlic. Okay, we have a garlic, now onion. Okay, let me clean this one first. Don't like a mess when I'm cooking. Clean up. Yeah. Okay. And here I have the rosemary. Yeah, I have some from the garden. I have a rucola little for the garnish. On top you can add the chili if you like spicy, or you can just add this chili flake. This makes it smell so good. Okay, in meantime, I already have boiled water here for the spaghetti, and then I add the salt. This one, the peanut, this nut, this tastes so good. This also you just chop it. You can chop finely or you can chop a little bit like this. It's your choice. Also have the chili. Throw the seed first. Add the spaghetti. And that is it. This one, the spaghetti you cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Olive oil. Just a little bit. Onion and garlic. Add the dry chili, the chili flake. Fresh chili if you like to. And then the nut. Also the rosemary, of course. Chicken. We add the pepper, the paprika powder, or you can use paprika flakes, some salt, so that's the chicken is ready. And then we have here some basil. We'll add some basil. We're gonna wash it first. And then we're gonna chop. Oh my god, the smell is so good. And this one I have the rocket. Also we're gonna chop for the garnish. Already smell good. Okay, then is my spaghetti is also done. This is I don't put all of it here because I have to cook for my husband without the chili. can off the fire and then we're gonna just stir it. Look at that. Wow, I love it. This is cooked only for one person. And you just add all of this on top and you are done. We are done. Yeah. Okay, we are done. Smells so nice. Voila, you have it. Beautiful. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.